Good evening. Thank you. Well, the GQ Awards is always a great awards to attend. Everyone's having so much fun. Russell is such a great host, makes everyone laugh, and everyone's just having such a good time. The award that I got tonight was fantastic. I think this year has been a really special year for me with Bharat, and the way the film was received, I think it was absolutely fantastic, and it's always lovely to be here and get a chance to interact with everyone. And Che and the whole team of GQ are dear friends, and it's great to be here and just kind of be with everyone for the evening. Yeah. You know, I think the best qualities to me that GQ stands for is they celebrate individuality and they celebrate the uniqueness in everyone, and I think that's what's really attractive in a man, is someone who accepts who they are, someone who's not trying to be anyone else or have any pretenses, but someone who is comfortable in their own skin, someone who has integrity, someone who has charm, who has wit, but most important, I think, is that that person is comfortable in their own skin.
Apart from being awarded for your work and everything, everyone which is exemplary and has always been told is that you are hardworking, immensely hardworking. And I may add, like, it's come from Mr. Salman Khan, like he gives example how hardworking you have been, and you have been the person should have ready to work hard like you. So these things motivate you, or like what energies it takes to you?
No, I think for me, the way that I approach my work is just from sheer love of my job and sheer love of what I do, and I love the profession that I'm in, and the way that I work, just it comes from my heart. There's no thought behind it. There's no strategy. It's just I want to be where I am. I enjoy being on every film. I enjoy being on every set, and that's really where my life is, and it's all about the work that we create. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. चलो करते हैं ट्राई. Good evening. Good evening. How sweet. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Honestly, it was GQ Men of the Year. I know that I wanted to wear something a little crisp, but I am very proud of the fact that I'm a woman, and I just wanted it to have that perfect balance. So yeah, we tried something new. I hope everyone likes it. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You know, there are a lot of people who I feel deserve the award, but for me, consistency is key. एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो I feel everyone's worked for a very long time. हमें किसी की back story नहीं पता, but for every man who hasn't given up, he's allowed to be GQ Man of the Year, according to me. Because giving up is very easy, but ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने मेहनत हर Friday करी है और अपने हर हिस्से में करी है, चाहे वो अपना physique था, चाहे वो अपनी acting थी, चाहे it is being at the right place at the right time. I think they've all worked so hard. Every single actor in our industry deserves the award, because trust me, this is a very difficult place to survive in, and they've all survived. 4 2 को बहुत ज़माना हो गया. जी, I am very excited that I'm a part of Houseful. It's a movie, it's a franchise, it's a comedy franchise. अरे यार ना ये ना बहुत disorienting हो जाता है. But I'll try. I personally feel that it's one of those. अरे नहीं 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 बैठिए बैठिए बैठिए. Involvement क्या? नहीं नहीं नहीं, it's fine really. But Houseful 4, firstly thank you for receiving the trailer so well. I think इन्होंने पहली बार तो कुछ हटके ट्राई करा है. हमने कहा it shouldn't be a typical comedy film. The whole idea is we promised, हमने जब से movie announce करी है, we promised that there will be reincarnation and there will be so much that in the movie. And I think people are not disappointed with the trailer क्योंकि उन्होंने जो expect किया था from a Houseful, I feel we've surpassed that as well. पर जो लोगों को हमने promises करे थे कि आप एक ऐसी movie देखेंगे which is going to be great in terms of a visual experience, I think from the trailer itself सबको idea हो गया कि हाँ ठीक है, इन्होंने promise जो किया था वो तो कर ही रहे हैं. But apart from that, of course, it's Akshay sir, Ritesh sir, there is Bob, Kriti, Pooja, myself, all of us. I think we're very excited and we're very thrilled. जिस तरह का reception हमें मिला कल trailer launch पे, I was really thrilled about it. I love our look in the film. And I think people are really going to enjoy watching this movie. It is genuinely one of the funniest films ever in terms of the Houseful franchise. I think it's going to be very, very impactful. But at the same time, there's a lot of drama in this movie also. I think that's what we're going to enjoy. जो dramatic side है ना, जो dialogues हैं, जो punches हैं, those are things people will really enjoy in this film. Thank you. Thanks so much. हाँ जी sir, बोलिए आप.
You really seems to be ecstatic with this film. मतलब कई चीजें जो आपकी उभर के आती है ना उनके लिए वो आपकी मतलब अभिव्यक्ति हो जाती है. ये कुछ उन फिल्मों में से है जो आप इसको लेकर काफी उत्साहित हैं.
Of course, Houseful एक ऐसी franchise है sir. जब पहली movie आई थी तब मुझे पता भी नहीं था that this is what I want to do and or I'm going to be an actress. So for me it's a very big deal. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि कभी लाइफ में हाउसफुल का हिस्सा बनूंगी. इट्स अ मूवी आई हैव आर्डेंटली गॉन एंड वॉच्ड इन अ थिएटर एंड दिस इज समथिंग आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ बिकॉज आई गो टू द थिएटर फॉर very few movies and a lot of times I don't go for my own because I have this issue with claustrophobia. So you'll all, even in a premiere show of my film, you'll always see me standing near the exit and watching because I'm very scared of the dark. No one knows this about me. I can't watch movies. I find it very difficult. I have to keep going outside to breathe. Well, Houseful is one of those movies that I've gone and watched in a theater, enjoyed and never wanted to leave. So yeah, it's a proud moment for me. More than me, I think it's for my parents. They say it very proudly कि हमारी बेटी Houseful की, she's one of the heroines in the film.
बहुत अच्छी फिल्म की है, चाहे कई बार थोड़ी
जी जी
एक आपकी फिल्मों के बारे में बहुत चर्चा होती है शादी में जरूर
जी.
आना. मतलब मैंने आपसे रिफर किया है.
जी जी जी.
पर ये चुनाव करते वक्त आप उस चीज़ का ध्यान रखते हैं कि मतलब कितना बड़ा या कितना छोटा या मतलब
नहीं, not really.
सफलता आपके प्रभावित करती है.
नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स प्रभावित तो करती है. आपको बुरा लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा. कई बार जब आपकी मूवी हिट होती है, it automatically opens a lot of doors for you. But I know that Houseful happened to me because of शादी में ज़रूर आना. क्योंकि जब शादी में ज़रूर आना रिलीज़ हुई थी तब से बात चल रही थी to go ahead and do a Houseful. And I didn't think it would happen. It happened very suddenly. But I still remember it was my birthday, 10 days before Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana released, and a lot of people from the industry had already seen the film. So I remember on that particular day, a lot of people, and there was one person who walked up to me and said, "You never know, Houseful 4 भी शायद हो जाए. आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं." And I said, हाँ ठीक है. I brushed it off. 6 months later, I had signed the film. तो हाँ, impact तो रहता है. But I think at the end of the day, there are a lot of people who are willing to go out there and give you a chance, irrespective of what you've done in the past. तो हाँ.
और कोई अपडेट देना चाहिए तो मैं इसी तरह का
वेल फिलहाल तो बस हाउसफुल की प्रमोशन में बिजी है. पागलपंती का डबिंग शुरू हो गया है. आई एम गोना हैव 2 releases in a span of 1 month. So I am very, very nervous at this point. Yeah.
नर्वस एनर्जी बहुत अच्छी होती है. ये आपके लिए अच्छी साबित हो. इसकी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
I hope so. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, guys. Thank you.